with the constant development and integration of the world economy, technological innovation has become a source of national, regional, and enterprise vitality, along with rapid economic development and the Belt and Road Initiative. Shandong HOACO Automation Technology Company Limited, as the leader of reform, innovation, openness, and progress. In the field of industrial automation, established in 2004, is devoting itself to R&D and the promotion of automation equipment and becoming a professional equipment manufacturer and solution provider for automation integration. With more than 70 million RMB registered capital, 40,000 square meters factory and office space, 200 plus staff, including 9 professional experts, 5 doctors, and more than 90% degree holders. 3 centers of R&D, manufacture, and marketing, 7 bases, 4 subsidiary companies, and foreign offices in USA, Singapore, and many countries. The company has 7 BU, several professional production and inspection lines. Among its multiple production lines, the main products including modular rotary die cutting machine, integrated rotary die cutting machine, customized machine, automatic material receiving palletizer, satellite type rotary die cutting, CCD detector, and so on. HOACO will always take technology as its guide and industrial development as its responsibility. The sales volume in year 2014 is over 100 sets, while in year 2016, this number doubled and developed the first modular rotary die cutting machine in China the same year. All of these achievements contribute to HOACO, the leader in rotary die cutting machine industry. HOACO machines are widely used in industries of label, electronic, medical, automotive, printing, and packaging. The advantages in machinery, electric, and technology wins HOACO valued customers from internationally renowned companies and established steady partnerships with Apple, Google, Huawei, MIUI, OPPO, Vivo, BOE, Foxconn, Tianma Microelectronics, Lens Technology, BioCrystal, and Triumph Leader Group. Through the relentless efforts of all HOACO staff, the company registered more than 10 national patents, being awarded the honor of the National New High-Tech Enterprise, National High-Tech Zone Pioneer Enterprise, and Excellent Acceleration Enterprise. Won the first prize in the second National Innovation and Adventure Contest Shandong Division in the year 2013. Ranked top of the best 10 providers of mobile phone automation solutions in year 2017, National Torch Plant Industrialization Demonstration Project, and certified for ISO 9001 and CE. 10 years of hard working and aggressiveness helps to foster HOACO, an outstanding brand, and forms the sales network globally. The company owns a perfect cooperation model and service system. Pre-sales, our professional R&D team will develop integrated solution according to different needs. Middle sales, technicians will be dispatched for installation and debugging, as well as operation training to make sure our customers operate the machine independently. After sales, provide customers with efficient and convenient 24/7 after-sales service timely. In accordance with HOACO's service motto of diligence, dedication, and profession, we will try our best to satisfy our customers, pride our staff, and benefit the society. HOACO will move forward with technology innovation to maintain its advantage and leading position, promote automation technology upgrade, and maximize returns for our value customers through continuous investment of capital and technology. to forge a talent team with higher quality and develop products and systems with higher standard. The efforts made by all staff, the inherent capability and responsibility will foster a brighter future for HOACO. Enable HOACO the industry benchmark and remain invincible.